Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we have a new budget Bluetooth speaker to review on my desk. This is a 360 speaker with some nice features for the price. It's made by this brand known as Pebble and the model is called as Dome. Says that this is a heavy bass Bluetooth speaker everywhere on the box. Well, we'll have to see about that later in the video. Let's check out the specs of this product. It's a wireless Bluetooth 5.0 speaker, has built-in FM radio, built-in microphone and supports TWS function as well. So if you have two of these similar speakers, then you can connect them together and enjoy true stereo experience. And talking about the output power, the Dome can produce around 5 watts of output. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. So on opening it, we've got an accessory box at the top. We'll see that later. First, let's check out the speaker. So here it is, our brand new Dome speaker from Pebble. It comes in two colors. The one I have is the black color model. Wow, it's actually quite big considering the price. And there's nothing else in the box. So before I actually show you the product in detail, let's also see what do we have in that accessory box. You get a micro USB cable for charging, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable, and a user manual. Make sure to read that. So that's it, these were all the items you got in the package. Now let me finally show you the speaker. So this is how Pebble's new Dome speaker looks like. I really like this spherical design and looks quite premium for the price. It's got a two-tone design with the Pebble logo at the center and the speaker is entirely covered in a fabric-like material and has a single driver on the front side. While going to the top, you can see that there's a bass radiator. So this passive bass radiator at the top resonates and improves the low frequency response. You've got the Pebble branding here, and talking about the build quality is good. The body is made of high quality plastic and has a nice matte black finishing at the top and the bottom. Going to the bottom side, this is where you've got all the media control buttons. There's a mode button to switch between all the available modes, volume down and volume up buttons, and lastly media play pause. The quality of the buttons is also good. And around the edge of these buttons, there's a circular rubber foot pad. Now let me show you all the available ports on it. The Pebble Dome offers wide connectivity options. It's got an aux port, a USB port for pen drives, a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port for charging, and a power on off slide switch. These were all the connectivity ports. And not to forget guys, the speaker also comes with a built-in microphone to receive and answer calls directly on the speaker. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me power it on, pair it with my phone and show you the audio quality on the speaker. Let's play a song and check out the sound. First of all guys, keep in mind that this is a budget category product, so don't expect too much from it. Talking about the audio, to be honest guys, I felt the audio quality was average for the price. The mids were decent, you could understand most of the dialogues, the high frequency response was okay, I'd say it was above average. It was smooth with minimum harshness. And coming to the bass was pretty good on it. The bass radiator was definitely doing its job and was producing punchy bass. On the overall, if you're a person who listens to music at 50 to 60% volume, you'll be fine with the speaker. But when you increase the volume to 80% or beyond that, you'll definitely feel the distortion in the sound. But I have to say the audio output on it was quite loud and satisfying. See, the best part about this speaker is it supports wide connectivity options like you've got pen drive, micro SD and also a built-in FM radio. Talking about the microphone quality was decently good, but sometimes I had to come close to the speaker and talk for the other person to hear me. Alright, coming to the battery life, the speaker has a built-in 1200 mAh battery and on an average it was offering around 4 hours of music playtime at 70% volume level. Well, that was my video on this Pebble Dome Bluetooth speaker. If you're a person who's looking for a powerful budget speaker with a lot of options and functions, then you can go for it. The only thing is the audio quality felt a bit average, but apart from that, the design, the looks and the functionality wise, it was great. It costs around 1450 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.